Hello, everyone. The 2025 Annual Performance Workshop by the Ministry of the Interior has come to an end, and it's fascinating to know how head of agencies and also stakeholders are buying into the Think Prison 360 agenda, especially with the donation to the Christmas. After the presentation by the Director General of Prison, Mrs. Patience Bafuboni Esquire, members are coming on board to support this program. Let's hear what they have to say about the Christmas, that is the Prison Improvement and Sustainability Pesewa Fund.
In this world, you never rule yourself out of any situations. So I supported them once, I supported them again. And then so when I heard this announcement about the fund being set up, the Pesewa Fund, I decided to donate my entire salary the for March to support this laudable idea. I believe that no, the prisons need a lot of help from the public. One city is nothing to write home about. We cannot do it. We can even do more than one city. Let's make it a point. I'm encouraging churches. I'm encouraging institutions. I'm encouraging banks and other entities to donate to support this fund because you never know when a relative of yours, a friend of yours, or even yourself would get yourself at the wrong side of the law that can land you in jail. Woe betide you if you land in jail and then you meet the same uh, living conditions that some of our prisoners have found themselves to be in. I appeal to all Ghanaians to step up and help. Thanks, prisons, for bringing up or setting up this fund. And I believe that it is something that will go a long way in helping Ghana prisons to become self-sustainable. Thank you.
Yes, so I'm using this medium to call on the general public to come on to support the Ghana Prison Service. We all know prisons could be your second home, and therefore the prison service has come up with what is called the Prisons 360, and there is an initiative called the Perspects. And so those of us under the Interior Ministry, of which I am a member, have agreed to contribute something each month. Is just contributing a minimum of about a CD to whatever you can contribute. Those of you who want to contribute, if you dial *972 *1*3100#, it will prompt you, you will go there and then donate a minimum of 1 Ghana CD so we can improve upon the prison service. I mean, like I said, there are a lot of people, there's a thin line dividing your home and prisons. And so if we all understand it that way, then we'll make the prisons a habitable place so that one day, if unfortunately you end up there, you would have probably made a place a safe place to be. And so this is what I would ask the general public to do. Join us so that we can improve the prisons as the Director General of Prisons is doing. So once again, the code is *972 *1*3100#. If you dial it, it will bring you a prompt, and then you are able to donate just 1 Ghana CD. And for those of us who work as civil servants or public servants or for organizations, you can pay through direct debit, and I'm sure it will go a long way in helping image of the Ghana prisons. Thank you very much.